Hello friends, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Okay friend, yesterday we discussed about decline of Indus Valley civilization and its continuity and its contribution. Today onwards with history we started geography and polity also. Today from geography my first topic is volcano. Okay, volcano. A volcano is an opening in the earth crust through which lava, volcano ash and the gases escape. Beneath a volcano, liquid magma containing dissolved gases rises through cracks in the earth crust. Okay, now we discuss a volcano in simple form. A volcano is a vent rift or a packed which volcano material cooled on Earth's surface where volcanicity process. Magma originated in astronosphere due to temperature and pressure, and they pulled on Earth's surface by volcano pipe. Volcano material are categorized in three forms. First one is solid form. Okay. Volcano bomb. This is the largest solid material. Tough. They originated as an gaseous of volcano. They originate due to cooling of magma. Okay. In simple form, solid form means form characterized by structural rigidity and resistance to changes of shape or volume, and in which the atoms are tightly bound to each other, either in a regular geometric lattice crystalline solid or in an irregular manner. Okay. Now second one. Liquid form is known as magma. Their temperature between 600 to 1200 degrees Celsius. Okay, meaning of liquid form. Okay, liquid is a substance which is not solid but which flows and can be poured, for example like a water. There are two types of according presence of silica. Magma are two types in liquid form: acidic magma, basic magma. Okay, now we differentiate both. Okay, amount of silica is high in acidic magma, and in basic magma amount of magnesium is high with respect to silica. Okay, now in acidic magma they look like a yellow in color, but on other hand basic magma look like black in color. Okay, now in acidic magma the liquid form more viscous fasty. Okay, meaning of viscous fasty means having a thick or sticky consistency which does not flow easily. Okay, now in basic magma the liquid form less viscous fasty. Okay, now in acidic magma they less expanded. On other hand basic magma expansion is high. Okay, now acidic magma they later cooled, but on other hand basic magma faster cooled. Okay, now acidic magma they mainly erupt by central eruption volcano, but on other hand basic magma mainly cooled by rift type volcano. Okay, now third one, gaseous form. Okay, gaseous means lacking substance or solidity. A gas mixture such as air contains a variety of pure gases. Okay, like water vapor, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide. Causes of volcano eruption: plate tectonic and volcano. Lithosphere divided into many larger and tectonic plates, and they drift on astronosphere. There are three boundaries occur due to movement of plate. First one is diverging plate margin. Okay, diverging plate margin is a boundary occur when two tectonic plates move away from each other. Along these boundaries earthquakes are common, and magma, molten rock, rises from the earth mantle to the surface solidify to create new oceanic crust. The mid-Atlantic ridge is an example of divergent plate boundaries. Okay friend, look at the diagram. Both plates are moving away from each other. Okay, see the diagram. Okay, when two tectonic plates separate to each other, the divergent constructed plate margin occurred between. The following tectonic event occur with boundary. Rift occur due to movement of plate. Magma entered in the rift and they cooled and converted into solid form. Which rift type volcano occurred and in new marine crust and ridge occurred with this boundary? Okay, for example, ridge, mid-Atlantic ridge, mid-Indian Oceanic ridge. Okay, now second one, convergent boundary volcano. Okay, when two tectonic plates converge to each them, collide, destructive plate margin occurred between them. Okay, see the diagram. Two plates are coming near and collide with each other and create destructive plate boundary. Okay, in simple form we say that when two plates come together, it is known as convergent boundary. The impact of the colliding plates can causes the edge of one or both plates to buckle up into the mountain ridge, or one of the plates may bend down into a deep sea floor trench. Okay. Okay, third one, transform plate margin. Okay, when two plates move up and down their boundary, then transform plate margin occurred between them. Look at one is going upside and one is comes downward. Okay, see the diagram. Okay, no any plate subtraction, that's why no volcano activity occurred, but sometime is boundaries locked and seismic activity occur according to elastic rebound theory, like California San Andreas. Okay, what's the meaning of in simple form, what's the meaning of transform plate margin? Okay, a transform fault or a transform boundary, sometimes called a strike slip boundary, is a fault along a plate boundary where the motion is predominantly horizontal. It's an abrupted where it connects to another plate boundary, either another transform a spreading ridge or a subduction zone. Okay, there are three conditions occurred with destructive plate margin. First one, continental convergent. Okay, second one is oceanic continental convergent. Last one is oceanic plate convergent. Okay, first one, continental convergent. When two continental plates collide to each other, then those plates subducted their velocity is high, or those continental plate having oceanic plate in forward part, they will be subducted. In that condition, central type volcano occurred, like mid-continental belt, by which margin Eurasian, African plate and Indian plate subducted into Eurasian plate. Etna, Stromboli, Vesuvius is an example of central type volcano. Okay, what is the meaning of, in simple form, what is the meaning of continental convergent? Okay, convergent plate boundary is when two continental plates collide. When two plates of continental crust collide, the material pushes upward. This forms a high mountain range. The remnant of subducted oceanic crust remain beneath the continental convergence zone. Okay, oceanic continental convergence. When a oceanic plate collide with continental plate, in that condition oceanic plate subducted because its density is high, and Banff zone originate due to subducted marine plate and central type of volcano occurred. Okay, see the diagram is a diagram of oceanic continental convergence. Here is a Banff zone. Okay, in simple form we say that when oceanic crust converge with a continental crust, the denser oceanic plate plunges beneath the continental plate. This process called subduction occurred at the oceanic trench. The subducting plates causes melting in the mantle above the plate. Okay, for example, like a ring of fire, this is the highest volcano and earthquake area. Okay, now third one, oceanic plate convergence. Okay, when two marine plate collide to each other, those oceanic plate subducted another oceanic plate having high amount of magnesium. For example, Japan, Honshu Island. Here Pacific plate subducted into Japan sea plate. Okay, in simple form we say that in collision between two oceanic plates. The cooler, denser oceanic lithosphere sink beneath the warmer, less dense oceanic lithosphere. As the slip sink deeper into the mantle, it releases the water from dehydration of hydrous mineral in the oceanic crust. Okay friends, we continue with it in my next video. Thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my videos, give a like, comment and subscribe my channel. Okay, bye bye. See you again in my next video. Okay.